Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, and I'm back with another unboxing. This is part of our holiday special, sort of, where we are unboxing these Christmas lights. So this time we have the 30 cm Mabuhay Star. So this is like a meteor shower type of Christmas light. I'm sure you have seen it online, so we're going to unbox this today. Okay, so Mabuhay Star 30 cm. So I guess that's how they look like. I got the multicolored one because that's what my daughter wants. There are warning labels on the sides. Okay, let's I guess open it up. But first, ever wonder how to cook those delicious, mouth-watering traditional Filipino dishes like kare-kare, pininyahan, or tinolang manok? Tune in to Cocinero's cooking videos, and he'll show you how to do these the easy way. He also goes live Mondays through Fridays, 7:30 p.m. Subscribe to Cocinero and boost your cooking knowledge today. I think it's only one unit, and as the box description says, it has 8 tubes. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so as you can see from here, they are really LED like bulbs inside the tubes. Okay, so what we have is a regular plug right here, as you can see. There's a free controller, a female controller connecting to our main controller right here. This white part here, and that's what connects to our Meteor bulbs right here. So this is from the Meteor bulbs, and this is from the controller. Okay, so this is what powers the Meteor bulbs. So controller, the Meteor bulbs, and then you have the power here. And we have one free female connector right here. So I hope this means that we can connect two at least on one controller. So we'll test that later, but right now let's just see if this one's working. Okay, so let's do it right now. Power outlet, plug, let's do it. Okay, it's working. Wow, that's beautiful. That's something you don't see every day, right? Just in Christmas time. Just the holiday season. I hope my video gives it justice though. Huh, that's great. Okay, so let's go back to that one free female connector and see if we can connect it to another one. Okay, so we haven't unboxed another one, and I got the connection from the other one right here. So this is the male connector right here. This is the female connector from our first Meteor bulbs. So we're just gonna connect it like so. Make sure that's nice and tight, and then we're going to tighten this up with the cover right there. There you go. So we now have two connections right here. This is the previous one, and this is the other one we just unboxed right now. So let me just line up these Meteor bulbs for you, and we'll plug it into our power connection. Okay? Okay guys, just to make it clear, this LED controller does not do anything else than to control the Meteor bulbs. You don't have any controls like speed or change the colors. It's just that. It's just a controller. No controls on speed or change of color of lights. That's all it does. Okay? Okay guys, I just lined up both of our Meteor bulbs. So there's 8 tubes of light for each. So instead of using 2 plugs, we connected the male to female connector from our different set of lights right here. So we're now just going to plug one to our power strip, and let's see if that works. Okay? Okay, so we're just going to plug one to our power strip. Cross fingers. Hope this works. Let's go. Yes, that's a score, ladies and gentlemen. So that is what it is for. So you can connect 2 set of 8 Meteor bulbs, or Mabuhay Star bulbs. That's what it's mentioned in the box, but they call it Meteor bulbs. That really looks good. I still have one, but unfortunately I have to use another controller for that, I guess. Because there's just two. Or just for one controller. So in total, we're going to be using 2 plugs. Right? Wow. Guys, I hope you can see how beautiful this is. Really looks good. These are good LED lights. So there you go, guys. This is just a quick and straightforward unboxing and a review of the Mabuhay Star Meteor lights. Huge thanks to the guys at Eastern Cold Brew Coffee for sponsoring our video today. Did you know that cold brew can boost your metabolism and lift up your mood at the same time? If ever you wanted that dark, rich, cold coffee taste, try Eastern Cold Brew Coffee today. Cold brew is not just coffee poured over ice. It went through a process of slow steeping coffee beans, then eventually straining them out. Eastern Cold Brew Coffee. It's the process, not the temperature. Try one today by clicking on their social media links on our video description. Good looking LED lights. Meteor effect. Wow. It really does look fantastic. So there you go, guys. If you have comments or inquiries about this, please comment it down below. We'll try to respond to it as best as we can. If you like our video today, please toss a like down there. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you'll get notified when we upload another video. Once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I'll see you guys on the next video.